ESC, I think we were the second or the third customer for OASYS way back in 2017 or 18. At that time, the main requirement for us was to have a solution for the IT help desk ticketing and the incident management.
Right.
So that's how we actually started with OASYS, and since then, so we initially had about 4 or 5 workflows that we automated using OASYS. But when the pandemic came and everybody was working from home remotely, all of the physical workflows had to be automated. So, and we were very lucky that we had OASYS. It was a low-code, no-code kind of platform where our internal users could easily and very quickly introduce new workflows. From the initial 4 or 5 workflows, we have more than 60 now. Okay. Workflows designed by us, our people, on OASYS. Because it's a no-code, low-code platform, we could basically, so what we did was we got the people running our help desk itself to initially start on the developing the new workflows. They were very junior people, just out of uni, in most situations. So they took up that challenge, and it was very easy for them to. So some of the workflows that I mentioned earlier are actually quite complex, with multiple approval stages, going back and forth. Especially the happy path is quite easy in most workflows, but when there are returns or rejections, it becomes quite complicated sometimes. So it was easier for them. So they were not people with programming backgrounds or anything like that. New updates keep coming without us requesting them specifically. So what we could not do a few years back is now possible. So we are currently testing. We have done the development and the UAT of it, and the rollout is what is pending now with for the document management part of it. The agentic AI integration, I think, would add a lot of value to the product, because what we have found now is, although the API integrations are now available from the OASYS side, most of the enterprise class applications are very limited in terms of the API integration capabilities. So somewhere along the workflow, there is a manual intervention by a business user required to complete that task. So if agentic AI capability is available within the application, I would think that would greatly enhance whenever we have a challenge or problem of automation of a manual process. The first port of call is to check and see whether this could be done using OASYS, and in most cases that has been the case. We have now done most of the automations, but there could still be a few very edge scenarios which was not possible. But yeah, the first port of call always will be OASYS, simply because we don't have to rely on their support to introduce a new workflow.